Welcome back everyone. So now it's time to look upon few inequalities of triangle, few important inequalities of triangle. So we will look upon them. This is the part 1 of this topic and we will subsequently proceeding to part 1, part 2 and part 3, right. So first inequality what we have over here is in the form of theorem only. So what this theorem says is if two sides of any triangle is unequal, if two sides of any triangle is unequal, then angle opposite to greater side, angle opposite to greater side is larger. That is, let's say this is a triangle, we have A, B and C. So as you can see, we have two unequal sides, AB and AC are unequal sides. So then angle opposite to greater side, that is greater side we have AC, angle opposite to greater side will be larger. That is, if I talk about this angle, if AC is greater than AB, then angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. This is what this theorem says, and I hope it is clear to you, right? Now, let us prove that. As we always do, let us prove that. Now, in order to prove that, what I am going to do, I am just going to do a construction and I am going to choose a point D such that, and then I am going to join this B to D. I am going to choose a point D. D is such that AB is equals to AD. So D is a point located on point AC such that AB is equals to AD, right. Now, if AB is equals to AD, then what I can say that this angle and this angle, these two angles will be equals to each other. That is, angle ABD will be equals to angle AD. ABD will be equals to ADB. I hope it is making sense to you. Now, why it is equals to each other? So, I hope you remember angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Angle opposite to equal sides. Now, if you just have a look at this angle, these two angles, angle ADB, angle ADB will always be greater than angle ACB. Why? Because in this triangle DBC, ADB is a exterior angle, and as you know, the exterior angle is always greater than the farthest internal angle, right? So there is also one property that this angle will be the summation of this and this. This angle will be the summation of this and this. So obviously this angle will be greater than this one. I hope it is clear to you. Angle ACB. Angle ADB will always be greater than angle ACB. Now, if you look upon in general, this angle and also this angle ADB is equals to angle ABD. So this statement can further be rewritten as, if I use this statement over here, ADB is equals to angle ABD ACB. I hope it is making sense. And now if I look upon in general, ABC is obviously greater than angle ABD. This angle ABC is obviously greater than this angle ABD. So angle ABC is greater than angle ABD, and as you can see, ABD is greater than angle ACB. So from here, what I can essentially conclude that angle ABC will be greater than angle ACB, and that is what I had to prove in the first step, that is angle ABC will be greater than angle ACB, and that is how this theorem got proved. I hope it is pretty much clear to you that whatever the side, whatever the angle opposite to the larger side will have the largest angle, and the converse is the angle opposite to the shorter side will be the shortest one, right? So that was all about the proof of this theorem. So let us have a look at our next theorem, and that is side opposite to larger angle, or you can say largest angle is greatest or longest. Side opposite to largest angle is longest. Now what this theorem is trying to say, let's understand that. Let's say this is my triangle A, B and C, right? Now I have to prove that side opposite to the largest angle. As you can see, if I am assuming angle B is largest, so angle B is greater than obviously angle C, then AC will be the largest side, or I can say AC will be greater than AB. I hope it is clear to you, right? So let us prove that as well. See, if I want to prove this statement that AC is greater than AB, then what I can say that if AC is greater than AB, I have to prove. See, in this triangle, what could be the scenarios for AC and AB? Possible scenarios for AB and AC. What could be the various possible scenarios of AB and AC? See, firstly, AB could be equals to AC. Secondly, AB could be greater than AC, or third scenario could be AC could be greater than AB, right? Only three scenarios can occur, right? Now let's analyze each of the scenario one by one. So if I talk about first scenario, if AB is equals to AC. Now if AB is equals to AC, then what I can say that angle B is equals to angle C, which is contradicting given statement. Hence AB will not be equals to AC. I hope it is clear to you. Now proceeding forward to second type, that second scenario. Let's AB is greater than AC. Now if AB is greater than AC, then what I can say that angle C would be greater than angle B. Then angle C would be greater than angle B, which is again, as you can see, angle B is greater than angle C, not angle C is greater than angle B. So again it is contradicting our given scenario, and hence this result is also not true, and hence this result is also not true. So what we are left with only third inequality, in which it is mentioned that AC is greater than AB, and that is what I had to prove on the first step itself. So that is how I have proved two theorems here, that the angle opposite to the greater side will be the greatest, and if the angle is greater, then the side will be longest. The both are the important inequality, and that is how we have concluded the part 1 of this session. Thank you so much.